Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're fasting this Ramadan, you know how important hydration is. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and low energy, things we definitely don't want while fasting. In today's video, I'll share the best tips and tricks to stay hydrated during Ramadan, including the best foods, drinks to avoid, and simple hydration hacks. So, let's dive in. Drink plenty of water during non-fasting hours. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses between Iftar and Suhoor. Follow the 2-4-2 rule: 2 glasses at Iftar, 4 between Iftar and Suhoor, and 2 at Suhoor. Use the right hydration strategy. Start your fast with lukewarm or room temperature water instead of cold water. It hydrates better. Add electrolytes like coconut water or lemon water to your hydration routine. Keep a water bottle nearby. If you're staying up after Taraweeh, keep sipping on water until Suhoor. Use a hydration reminder app or set alarms. Eat hydrating foods. We'll cover this next. Did you know that nearly 20% of our daily water intake comes from food? So what should you eat? Fruits and veggies with high water content. Watermelon, which is 92% water, is refreshing and perfect for iftar. Cucumber, at 95% water, is a great snack at suhoor. Oranges and grapes are packed with fluids and vitamins. Soups and yogurt-based dishes. Lentil or vegetable soups hydrate and provide essential nutrients. Greek yogurt or laban keeps you full and prevents dehydration. Chia seeds and coconut water. Soak chia seeds in water and drink it before suhoor. They retain water and release it slowly. Coconut water is a natural electrolyte booster. Caffeinated drinks like tea, coffee, and energy drinks. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it makes you lose more water. Limit to 1 small cup if necessary. Sugary and carbonated drinks. Sodas, artificial juices, and energy drinks cause sugar crashes and dehydrate your body. Salty or processed drinks. Avoid salty soups and processed drinks like bottled fruit juices. They contain hidden sodium that can make you thirsty. Break your fast with dates and water, then hydrate gradually. Opt for water-rich foods instead of dry, fried, or salty meals. Get enough sleep, as lack of rest can make dehydration worse. Question of the day. What's your go-to hydration trick during Ramadan? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more Ramadan health tips. See you in the next one. Ramadan Mubarak.